if we have gotten through Surah Al-Baqarah, understanding what Allah has said in it, trying to apply what we understand of it, we have achieved a great goal. A great goal. So great that Abdullah ibn Mas'ud said that the one who had learned Surah Al-Baqarah among us, among the Sahaba, 60-odd thousand, 80-odd thousand when the Prophet ﷺ died, he was called Hafiz. He was called Hafiz. Today, if you call somebody who learns Surah Al-Baqarah Hafiz, people say, A'udhu Billah. That's sacrilege. The Hafiz is the one who has memorized the whole Quran from Fatiha to Nas. That is Hafiz. Don't call anybody else Hafiz. That is the attitude people would have today. But that wasn't the understanding of the Sahaba. The one who had learned Surah Al-Baqarah was called Hafiz. Because Hifz didn't mean simply memorizing. Hifz didn't mean memorizing. The Prophet ﷺ said what? خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it to others. We turn that into another statement. خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ حَفِظَ الْقُرْآنَ وَحَفَّظَهُ. The best of you are those who memorize the Quran and make other people memorize it. These are two different things. Learning the Quran may involve memorizing also, but memorizing the Quran doesn't necessarily involve learning it. The message of the Prophet ﷺ was to learn the Quran. Memorizing was a way to help you to learn it, not a ritual of just memorizing the text.